Tollywood actors with their children. Sameera Reddy with their children. Simran with their children. Kajala with their children. Anshu Ambani with their children. Richa with their children. Sridevi with their daughter. Devyani with their children. Laya with their children. Richa Gangopachaya with their son. Gopika with their children. Nisha Agarwal with their son. Genelia D'Souza with their children. Bhumika with their son. Jyotika with their children. Kajal Agarwal with their son. Roja with their children. Saranya Mohan with their children. Meena with their daughter. Sneha with their children. Preeta Vijay Kumar with their children. Ramba with their children. Shriya Saran with their daughter. Asim with their daughter. Sonali Brinde with their son. Preeti Jinta with their children. Sanjana Galdani with their son. Kushbu with their children. Anita with their son. Pranita Subhash with their children. Namrata Siratkar with their children. Madhavi with their children. Madhubala with their children. Naziria Nazim with their children. Indraja with their daughter. Radhika Apte with their children. Uva with their children. Sindhu Tulani with their children. Meenakshi Sheshadri with their children. Mohini with their children. Aishwarya Rai with their daughter. Sindhu Meenan with their children. Manisha Koiraila with their children. Preeti Jhingani with their son. Sakshi Shivanand with their daughter. Rachana with their son. Rakshita with their son. Shani with their children. Renu Desai with their children. Sangeeta with their daughter. Gautami with their daughter. Radha with their children. Kamna Jatmani with their children. Reema Sen with their children. Jeevita with their children. Revati with their daughter. Sobhana with their daughter. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more details.